Bola to all our partners around the globe. So today, my encashment from my DTC account, digital account, is already transferred to Vivo account. So Vivo accounts, Vivo Super Apps is one of our new digital system. How you can get your income aside to your ATM Mastercard in the Philippines, available right now. So last day I encashed my income and right now it's already available in my account. So do you want to know how much? So this is my 1-day income only. Let me show to you. Are you excited? So this is my income for today. Oops, how much that? That's 11,000 pesos. So congratulations to all my partners around the globe. So yeah, so this system is very powerful, and right now we have new system how you can get your income using e-wallet or digital. So if you want to know how to maximize your mobile phone or your social media accounts, I have a webinar tomorrow